How to add an ONU to CMS. Method 2. Connecting the target ONU to CMS via OLT issued TR-069 parameters. Note: this method is only applicable to C-Data OLT and ONU. It is not suitable for third-party devices. Ensure the target ONU is not connected to CMS via TR-069 directly. For demonstration, delete the target ONU from CMS ONU list and recycle bin. Disable TR-069 configuration and related WAN settings on the ONU web. Now, we will start deploying TR-069 parameters from the OLT to the target ONU. First, create a TR-069 profile for the OLT, setting ACS URL and other relevant information. Customize as needed. Confirm the profile configuration via the command line. Next, configure TR-069 WAN on the GPON port for the target ONU. Find the target ONU's information on the GPON port. The information should display the GPON port number, which indicates that the ONU is under port 8, and the ONT ID is 2. Use this information to configure WAN for the target ONU. Configure WAN using the service type command as TR-069. Then, bind the ONU to the previously configured TR-069 profile. Check the configuration status using relevant commands. You can see that the WAN with type TR-069 has been successfully added, and also the TR-069 profile has been bound. Verify the WAN configuration on the ONU web. On the ONU web's remote management page, it shows that the TR-069 parameters have been issued successfully. As a result, you can see that the target ONU has been added on the ONU list page in CMS.